Today, I'm going to introduce you to my new creation. It's called Kilobit System Monitor. It's a free and open source app. It's made by me. This app lets you monitor CPU, RAM, network, and GPU directly on your taskbar. It's pretty cool. I have been using similar app before, like really popular one, NetSpeed Monitor, that doesn't work anymore in Windows 11. Then I also used alternative called Traffic Monitor, which is also fine, but that app uses a kernel level driver, and that driver has the vulnerability. Because of that, I can't fully use that. So I made my own app, which is more secure and doesn't rely on third-party app. Plus, it doesn't need any admin permission, and it shows CPU, RAM, GPU also with the temperature and network download and upload speed. Isn't that cool? So you can go here and then go to releases and then download the latest version. So right now it's 1.3.2. Just download the MSI installer, or if you prefer a portable version, you can download the exe, which will just straight run without installing. Now you will see this warning, Windows protected your PC, because this app is not signed. To sign an app, I have to pay a huge amount of money, which I don't have. Plus, this app is free and open source, so you can look up into the code and everything. Plus, you should always scan any app that you download from the internet. You can scan on VirusTotal or whichever antivirus program you prefer. And here you can click on more info and the installer will begin. You just click next, and I have this already installed, so I can repair it. You just click next, 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 and install it. That's it. Okay, I have this already installed. After that, it will create a desktop shortcut, or you can go to your start menu, recently installed apps, and open this. You're ready to use this. This is pretty simple to use. Now, the first thing you should do after installing this is show hardware overlay on taskbar. Enable it. Okay, by default it should be disabled. If it's enabled, it's fine. You'll see a overlay at the bottom. You can also lock the overlay position so you can't drag and drop. So by default it should be disabled, and also launch on Windows startup. So every time you turn on your computer, that overlay will launch. And after that, you can choose what to display on overlay: CPU usage, RAM usage, GPU usage, and also the GPU temperature and the upload and download speed. You can turn them off. Let's say you don't want the internet speed monitor. You can have only the CPU, GPU, and RAM usage here. So yeah, you can unselect all of them. You can also have just one here, but I like to use all of them. Now you can drag and drop this widget to wherever you want on the taskbar. I prefer it to the left side, so I'm gonna put it right there. And now I can lock the position from the settings, or I can also right click on the overlay and there is the lock position option. So I can lock that. Now you can't move this, so it will just stay there. And after that, we have some hardware configuration, which network adapter you want to monitor. So let's say I'm using the Ethernet for the internet. I'm going to select Ethernet here, and now it will monitor the Ethernet connection for download and upload speed. And we also have the display style. The default one is standard. It's a little bit bigger with text up, down, CPU, RAM, GPU, temp. Okay, and then we have compact with the single text. Okay, and then we have the icon one, which I think is the best one. I don't know, for me it looks the best. So we have the icons for all the metrics that we are monitoring or displaying here. You can also customize this with different font. By default it will use whatever font you're using on the system. Okay, default system font, but you can change it to one of these selectable fonts, and then you can change the accent color of the text and the icons. Okay, so you can go red if you like red. Okay, you can go green, you can go purple, or you can pick any color that you want by clicking on this plus icon. And then we can also change the background color. It's called backdrop color. If you're using a normal Windows 11 taskbar with no transparency, it will be kind of useful. Or let's just say you can customize this to whatever color you want, the background of the overlay. Okay, so you can go and select red. Okay, you can also change the opacity. I like to use the transparent taskbar, so I don't actually use the backdrop color, but if you're someone who wants to customize it and make it look good, maybe something like this, have a background color, maybe a little bit lighter one, maybe white. Okay, let's say for this example, and let's change the text to black. Okay, now it looks something like this. You get the idea. I know you guys are smart, so yeah, you can customize this thing however you want. And you can also change the opacity of the background. Even if you're using the transparent taskbar, you can still use the background colors. Okay, so choose whichever color you want. Let's say I want the green, apply, and this is how it looks. And you can also manage the transparency. And there is a about section here. You can see the version of the app and the link for my social media and all that. Okay, and once you're happy with the settings, you can click on save and close, and you're all good to go. If you want to open a settings, you can right click on the overlay and then click on settings, and it will open a setting. Or there is a system tray icon. Okay, it's the Kilobit system monitor. You can right click on it, and then from here you can go to settings. If you want to completely quit the application, you have to click on quit application, and it will completely close the application. Save and close settings, and the X button at the top doesn't actually close the app fully. It only closes the settings app. If you like this app and you want to use it on daily basis and you don't want to reconfigure it or relaunch it manually, then make sure to enable this launch on Windows Startup. Once it's enabled, you don't have to open this app anymore. Whenever you reboot your computer, it will automatically launch the overlay on the taskbar wherever you have set it. Now, I have also made some other apps. Right now, I think the most popular app that I have made is called SCRCPY-GUI, and it's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and also I have made a data recovery software called WinFR Pro. This is a GUI for WinFR, the Windows file recovery tool from Microsoft. That's like CLI program, but this is a GUI, so anyone can use the WinFR. Okay, so just trying to make life easy for some people out there. I'm also not a huge fan of terminal. Okay, I forget things pretty easily. Go and check out my GitHub and the apps, and this one also, the Kilobit system monitor. And again, hope you like it. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.